What's going on, guys? Been a little while since I've done a video. Just really had a lot going on, and ain't had time really to be working on nothing. I think I had shown y'all before. We got this truck in. Oh, bumped into it. I don't want to show you what's in the background because I got another thing. It's a new something for the channel. So we have this C10. I think it was like a one owner truck. It's not mine, it's a buddy of mine's truck. But it was like a one owner truck. And he bought it from, I guess it was the guy who originally bought it, his son. Kind of one of those deals where he, for years kept hitting him, hey, when are you gonna sell me that truck? And, he just wasn't ready yet, whatever. And then one day randomly hit him up, was like, hey, you wanna buy the truck? So he went and got it. So we're gonna be doing a bunch of work to this. As you can see, it needs some cab repairs. It's pretty much like this on both sides. And then cab corners. Everything else on the truck is pretty good. It runs and drives. But we're still kind of working out the build for this. It's looking like it's definitely gonna get air ride. He's still leaning between keeping it it's a 6-cylinder 3-speed on the column. He's still leaning between whether or not we're gonna swap that for small block or LS, or that's still up in the air, waiting on him to decide on what he wants to do, but no rush. But definitely gonna be getting a paint job, air ride, wheels, tires, that kind of thing. Probably a raised bed floor, because by the time we build out, and notch frame and do all that, gonna hide everything probably up under the raised bed floor. So a lot of things gonna be happening to that. That's we're in the process of ordering parts now, so that's gonna be a build on the channel. And then I picked up, very excited, I picked it up over the weekend, and the thing is, I went and looked at this car. I almost passed on it. I looked at it, I lowballed the guy, and he just wouldn't take it. I honestly don't blame him. And as soon as I got back home, I was like, damn it. I was like, I should have bought that car. So I hit him back up and made arrangements to go pick it up the next morning. But I haven't had a car in a few years. I sold my last one that I built, and that was that was pre-YouTube. That one was a 54 Chevy, 210, 2-door. Had triangulated 4-link coilovers, Mustang 2 front end, LS. LS swap. It was basically like a sleeper car. I wish I had some more footage. I might be able to add a clip of the car. I might be able to splice it in like here. Or a picture. But anyways, finally worked something out to get another project for myself to build. And I'm very excited about it. I haven't even got off the trailer yet, but drum roll. Anyways, it is right here. It is a one owner 72 Nova, base of the base model, 6-cylinder. It was a one owner car. Husband passed away, wife sold the car. I didn't buy it from the wife. It was actually like their neighbor bought the car, and then that was literally like just a few months ago, back in the summer. And then I guess they ended up buying this and a K10 truck. I guess they probably got a deal on both of them, to be honest. And they were working on the truck, and I don't think they really had any plans with the car. So anyways, one of those deals. I wasn't even looking for a Nova. I love Novas, but I didn't think I had the budget to get into one worth buying. So I really wasn't even looking, and it just popped up and, just kind of fell into place. It worked out good. So, but like I said, it is an all original car. It's been repainted once. This is the original color though. Obviously a fender's been changed. Does have, like, the car itself is very straight. It does have a little bit of rust. Like, that's most of that surface stuff. Lower door, rockers are decent. Quarters are good. You know, a little spot there. A little patch in this corner here. There's some rot in there. Like I said, it's a 6-cylinder car. White interior. This door panel's, that one's in pretty good shape. 71,000 original miles. Probably hard to tell because it's on the trailer, but like I said, it's a 6-cylinder car, automatic. I believe it has a power glide in it. Don't even know if the car runs. The people I bought it from never tried to start it. Like, looking at it, you know, the oil in it's good. Everything under the hood is intact. You know, nothing's taken apart, missing. So I don't know. I haven't fooled with it even to see if it was even locked up. I don't know, because I really didn't care. I got plans on swapping it anyways, but like I said, it's in fairly decent shape, especially considering the deal I got on this car. You know, like I said, it's really, the car is very solid. It needs, there's like a little bit of rust in the fender here and the lower half of the doors on both sides, which I'm not looking to do a like super pristine show car with it. However, I'm going to fix all the rust. I'm going to patch that. I know it needs a floor pan in the back. The front ones appear to be good from what I can tell. But we'll get a better look at that once I, you know, get the interior out of the car, get the carpet out. Like I said, but I'm not looking to make some super like nut and bolt rotisserie built show car. I want something that looks good and that I can hop in and drive, and, you know, me and the family can go for cruises. So oh, we can get that door all the way open. See the white, and honestly, like, a lot of this interior, it's like kind of like mildewy because it has gotten water in there. But it's like, front seat obviously has been like recovered at some point. That's not the original. It looks, actually, now look at it, looks like it covers over top of the original. So I wonder what the original underneath looks like. I like black interior on these cars. I'm not big on the white. So I'll probably end up getting an upholstery kit for it and redoing the interior at some point. And I'm probably going to get a new hood because there is some rot in the hood. But you see, I looked at the inspection sticker. This car had a state inspection in it in 2009. So I assume it's probably been sitting since 09, 2010, something like that. But yeah, so be a personal build for myself that's going to be on the channel along with this truck. What else is coming up? The Monte Carlo that I did redid the engine bay and the big block in, that's going to be coming back for paint and body work. So that's going to be back on the channel. You'll be seeing more of that. What else is coming up? We're going to be engine swapping and put a 4-speed in. Y'all haven't even, I don't believe y'all haven't seen this car yet, but my brother's 56 Chevy. That's gonna be on the channel here soon. We are on the hunt for a hot rod of some sort for my dad. So yeah, there's really a lot going on that's coming soon to the channel. I look forward to doing it. I look forward to filming the content and bringing that to y'all. And so yeah, and then we have more plans going on over here. Like, sorry if I'm just rambling on. This video is like not really that interesting. I'm more or less just trying to get everybody up to speed with what's been going on. We got clearing going on. Now, why would we be clearing more property at my house? We have got a shop build getting ready to start as well. So, guys, I am super busy. This is going to be a very busy next several months. Getting the shop built, all these projects going. And like I said, I'm going to document the build process of the shop. That's going to be on it, you know, that'll be its own series, along with each one of these projects I just named off. So yeah, so I'm going to get this car unloaded, and I got to get a bunch of stuff around my driveway and yard rearranged because it's starting to fill up. So let me do all that, and then we'll get back when I get back to maybe messing with the car a little bit. I want to power wash it and clean it up a little bit and just kind of get a better look of what we got. So